Hello everyone, I will be reviewing today Aqua Celestia Forte from Maison Francis Courgjean. This is the box. As you can see on the left side and on the right side we can see this sun imprint with some stripes, which we will also be seeing on the bottle. This is the basic box from Courgjean. You get the pamphlet, the bottle, and this is the same sun that you can see on the side of the box when you look closely on behind of the plaque of the label. So anyway, this is one of my favorite perfumes, if not my most loved favorite from the house of Maison Francis Courgjean, because it is such a versatile, fresh, amazing perfume all around. You cannot disappoint anybody with this perfume because it is such a lovable perfume. I have also brought in my 5 ml of Celestia Cologne Forte, and I will compare them and tell you what the differences are, because I like them both, but I would always buy the Celestia Forte when it comes to the comparison with the Cologne Fortes. So let's spray and see what happens. It already comes to my nose. This is such an amazing. Yes, this is so much fresh lime. If you want something lime focused, lemon focused, this is it. You get a lot of mint, lemon, lime, depending on the time, because sometimes it's very minty to my nose, but for example today it is very lemony. It is maybe because I took a shower an hour ago, possible, but it varies from time to time. Sometimes it's very minty, sometimes it's very lemony. You can smell some blackcurrant, but it's mostly in the background. But let's also spray the Celestia Cologne Forte so we can compare. Immediately. This gives more of a wash, like a softener for your clothes when you wash your clothes. Very clean. This smells cleaner, this smells fresher, if you know what I mean. This is really summery. It smells like it's summertime. The sun is shining, you're outside and you're enjoying yourself with a nice mojito cocktail in your hand. This one is more all round, all year long. Even though you can wear this all year long too, this is amazing for all year, but this one is cleaner, more of an office scent. This one is also an office scent, but this is more of an office scent. If I would buy one, I would always buy the Celestia, because the Celestia brings joy and happiness to my face. Every time I smell it, it's just amazing. It's just a blast of happiness and joy. Now the Petit Grain comes out right now, and I'm getting some Lily of the Valley. You get that typical Francis Courgjean musk note, but it's very clean. You cannot go wrong with both of them. Both of them are amazing. This one seems a little bit weaker. The longevity is also weaker than the normal Celestia Forte. That's my experience. I can get at least 2 to 3 hours more from the normal Celestia Forte. In the Cologne Forte, the jasmine note is more pronounced, but it lingers in the back behind the lemon, the mint, the lime. I've always gotten compliments from Celestia Forte, always, everywhere, and everybody can smell you. It's a non-offensive perfume. Men, female, everybody can wear this, even younger adults, older men, older women, everybody can wear it, and everybody will love it because it is such an amazing perfume. Right now it smells a little bit the muskiness, some woodiness comes out of it, even though there are no real woods in this one. But I'm getting this, I think it's the Petit Grain, because I'm getting this little bit woodiness from it, but it's really great. The lemon is always in the forefront, it's minty. The Celestia Cologne Forte seems like it faded from my palm. Let me spray it again twice so we can have enough. Ah, yeah, here it is. These both are amazing. Both are amazing. If you want them both, you can get them both, but I would not pay $160 for the Cologne Forte when I can get one for $180. I can get the normal Celestia Forte. The Cologne Forte has no meaning for me, because for the same price, for just a bit more, I can get the Celestia Forte with more longevity, a better sillage. The sillage, by the way, is amazing of the Celestia Forte. I really love the sillage. You can smell people from 3-4 feet away. And especially when you're in a car environment, in a car, we were, I was with my family a couple of days ago. We were walking in the woods, just because we like to walk in the woods, and it's the time of the year where you can enjoy the outdoors. And it's he sprayed Celestia Forte, and I could smell him all the time in the woods. And he himself told me that in the car, when they were coming to the forest, he was gassing out everybody in the car, because he sprayed 3 times Celestia Forte and everybody could smell him in the car. And there were 4 people in the car. Everybody could smell him. You notice some differences. It is my personal opinion. I like the Celestia Forte more, not only for the sillage and the performance, but the smell itself is just such a fresh blast of a mojito cocktail. That's the best way I would describe it. A blast of sunny vibes. By the way, you can pair this perfectly with Baccarat Rouge. For example, 1 spray right, 1 spray left, and 1 spray of the extract in the middle, or even the EDP. Perfectly. You can layer it perfectly with other Courgence. Both of them are amazing. I can't complain. But if you're going to choose only one, this is the one to get for sure. You always get compliments from this, and you just smell fresh and good. You appreciate yourself for wearing this, because you can smell yourself. This is one of the perfumes, fresh perfumes, that you really can smell yourself. But I would heavily advise it to store this outside of the sun, because the fresh top note elements will fade away if it gets too much into the sun. For sure, store those freshies in a dark and cool environment, so you won't lose out. Although a perfume like this, you can really make the bottle empty very fast. I've used almost like 15 ml in a month time, which is very fast. I'm using it a lot because I truly love it. This is one perfume that will not stay in the drawers in your wardrobe and rot there until you find it again. This is one of the perfumes that are really sprayable and usable. It's not just sniffing perfume to spray on yourself and sniff yourself and feel good about it. It's not this heavy, thick, cloying Xerjoff or Nasomatto or Rojadov. This is really something you can enjoy, and everybody next to you will enjoy too. Nobody will get offended by this. Who does not love lime, lemon, mint? Those are like these amazing, great, fresh products that are used in this perfume. And it's a very inoffensive musk. The black currant is also there, but it is lingering in the background in comparison with Aqua Universalis Cologne Forte. When I got it here, by the way, the Universalis Cologne Forte, the black currant is very pronounced. in comparison with the Celestia or the Celestia Colonia Forte. This one is in the front, so if you like black currant, you're going to get the Universalis Colonia Forte or the normal Universalis, but I would get the Universalis Colonia Forte. I love it more than the normal Universalis Forte. Very green too. The greenness really comes out of this. Some powderiness, not very powdery, but you can smell the powderiness. Very unisex, very unisex. I would enjoy it if I would smell this on a woman. I would enjoy this if I would smell it on my friend or a nephew. It does not matter. It's all amazing. It's an eau de parfum concentration. I would even buy the 200 milliliter if Courgent would have made one, but I don't know why it does not make a 200 milliliter bottle of the eau de parfums, like for example the Celestia, the Universalis or the Vitae Forte, but he has 200 ml bottles of Baccarat Rouge and the Ouds, because those are the fragrances that sell the most. Baccarat Rouge and Oud Satin Maude are his most sold fragrances, because those heavy, thick winter fragrances really sell the most. That is his bread and butter. These are sold less. For example, when I bought this from the online store from Maison Francis Courgent, I got an older batch, which is really weird. Let's look at the batch for a moment. This was 180-40, which means the first three letters are the day in the year. This means the 180th day in the year of, oh sorry, I'm mistaken, 18040. 18 means this is a batch from 2018, and the 040 means it's the 40th day of the year. So the first two letters are the year, the three last letters are the day of the year. So 2018 and the 40th day. This means February 2018 is the batch code of this one. And I recently bought this perfume. This means when you order it online, the perfume itself was made 2 years ago. So that really tells a lot. And because when I bought my Baccarat Rouge Eau de Parfum, the batch was a month old. This truly shows us which ones sell the most. Or Oud Satin Maude, all those batches are really fresh. But for example, something like this, it doesn't get as much hype, as much love from the community or from people in general. When I'm talking to boutique owners, fragrance store owners, they themselves say Baccarat Rouge is just so big right now. Even people that are not in fragrance have heard about it. So anyway, this perfume is my lovely perfume. I love this one. I would spray this year round, no matter winter, summer. You cannot go wrong with this. It's lovely. It's blended to perfection. Maison Francis Courgent is just an amazing house. I find it a shame that he is right now the head perfumer at Dior, since François Dimachy isn't there anymore, because he will have less time to make another creation like this. He will be more focused on Dior. Listen, it's very possible that you like the Colonia more. It's up to preference, because both of them are great, but if you want more longevity, sillage, then you go for this one. 100% you go for this one, because this has 2 to 3 hours more than this one. I would say a good 6 hours you can get from this one. From this one, 3 hours, plus or minus 3 hours. And the sillage for this one is almost a feat. I would say it's not that good, to be honest. This one is very good. You can really make people smell this from across the room if you go for 3 sprays. But personally, I like to do 2 sprays, or when I'm going outdoor, 3 sprays. But indoors, 2 sprays should be enough for Aqua Celestia Colonia Forte. Both of them are great. You cannot go with them, but it's just preference. I would go to the store, spray it on yourself. I would even advise you to get the samples, because then you can truly appreciate the perfume for what it is. I would not go by the just smelling it in the store, because you will not know if you like it or not. In the store you may get tricked by the perfume in the store. So get a sample, not a 5 ml, get a 2 ml sample of the Celestia Forte or even the Colonia Forte and test it out. If you can empty the sample, then it's a buy. If you cannot finish the sample, then it's not a buy, and you're just wanting to buy the perfume just to have the perfume, and it's become an addiction. You need to stop it. Stop buying perfume. You're getting addicted. No, this is just perfect, guys. I heavily advise it. Go check it out. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.